Welcome friends. Today we are going to see how to do the texturing for that perfume bottle. Before that, kindly subscribe the channel. If you like the video, share it with others. Let's go into the video. Okay, now if we see the bottle size, it's look very big. So let me reduce the size of the bottle. So when we scale it, you can able to see it's scaling in z-axis. All the direction is getting scaled. So we want x and y need to scale as per our requirement. So before that, I turn on the cast. Okay, now press s to scale, shift z to lock the z location. Now if I move it, you can able see it's getting scale in between x and y axis. Z axis is locked. So let me keep the bottle sizes this. Okay, now it looks better compared to last time. Okay, I think let me make it small little more. Yes, press yes to scale, shift z. Yeah, okay. So let me scale the cap. Let me zoom it. G set. Press period key in to zoom it. Okay. Okay. Now our bottle is ready. So let me go for the texturing. For you in this tutorial, that cap of the perfume bottle is the test for you. Design in the perfume cap and learn the modeling more. If you want related to that cap tutorial, please comment it in the video. I create a new tutorial. Okay, here we are going to unwrap the bottle and create a texture for that. So here you can able to see that plus button in the left side corner, and click and drag it to create a one more window. In this, click the UV editor. Okay, after opening the UV editor, you can able to see the details like this. Okay, let me go to solid studio modes to view the bottle better. Okay, after select the thing, select the bottle, press go to tab mode, press A to select all. Okay, sorry, before that, press A to select everything and press Ctrl A to apply the scale. Okay, after the scale applied, now we can go to select the bottle, go to our edit mode and select all the meshes. Press U to unwrap. In this menu, select smart UV project 0.01, make the island margin and press OK. Now it has been created all the UV layouts. So we are going to move this as per our requirement. Okay, in the UV editor, press 3 to select the face and select using shift key, select all the faces whatever it's required to scale. Now press Ctrl L to select whatever is linked related to the UVs and press scale. Sorry, press scale in that UV editor, and you can scale it to small and you can move it little bit towards some other location. Same way, select each UVs and press L and press S to scale. Okay, and G to move. Here we have to look into sorry, we have to look into everything is unwrapped correctly. Correct. So here you can able to see one by one. Here I click the synchronize button here in the top. Now I select this face. Here you can see selected, and nearby face I select, it's coming correct. so it should be aligned correctly. Now I select this face and this, yeah, it's selecting nearby. Here also I do the same and it's selecting nearby, so it's aligned properly correctly. Okay, let me do the texturing now. After do that, here you can able to see the open image. I have created the colored layout here already designed. Do you want this image texturing design? Please comment it in video. I put a separate tutorial for the same. After creating, after adding opening the texture, you can do one thing. You can select all the wrapping, press Ctrl L, scale in X direction, so it can be viewed as per this. So here you can able to select the rendering option, and here you can able to see after clicking the rendering, material rendering, here nothing is coming because we have not applied the material. So go to the material section, create new, this name it as bottle texture, so I make it as TX, and go to the shading option and start creating the attach the textures. So here you can able to go to desktop. I kept it in desktop. I create a move and this, oh yeah, it's created. And I have added Waggler to create this additional texture using Ctrl T. I show you how to add that texture. Go to preference. In this you can type a node. Here you can, I have selected the three options: Wrangler, presets, arrange. So please select all the three nodes which will be useful for this. Select this and press T to get that UV coordinate for the same. Now I connect the same to the base color. Okay, now you can see the texture. The here you can able to see it's the texture, what are the letters comes is mirrored. I show you how to fix that too. Okay, go to the again layout section here, and go to edit mode and select all, and press G to move, and you can move the same. So I just scale X, I make it a little bit bigger, it will be nice. Yeah, okay. Yeah, now it's created. Ctrl L and zoom it. Here you can able to see the gap, so let me fill the same. Please confirm that it should not overlap the other unwrap UVs, because while doing the modeling, while creating the lightings, it make issues. So don't forget to clear that gaps. So here everything is attached correct, and here fine. So while you're doing the manual adjustment, don't forget to align that. Okay, now how to clear this reversing mirror name? So I just do one thing. Here you can able to see, right click the in unwrap menu, unwrap section, right click the mouse, and here you can see able to say mirror X. Just a minute. Oh sorry, select all and right click and mirror X. Okay, now it has been mirrored now, so we have to align it once again. Control L G to align it again. Yeah, now we can able to see that that letter has been came and arrived. Okay, this is the basics texturing for the bottle. So you can add some letters and terms and conditions and everything. Here you can able to see the sorry, yeah, here you can able to see the MRP and rates. Everything has been done now. So this is the basic structuring for the any object using the unwrap and textures what we have created. So this is just a demo version of bottle for designing. Okay, here after doing that, let me give some shiny look for the bottle. Here you can able to go to that once object selected and go to that material view and select the bottle text. Here a roughness, reduce the roughness value to make the bottle shine. Yeah, now we can able to see the bottle has been readied and shined with Park Avenue effect. Yeah, nice. And let me give the material color for this, create a new and make it as cap, rename it to cap, and apply this one as light and golden orange color. Okay, let me make this little dark. Okay, here I am going to apply the same. Select the cap and select cap to assign the same, and I'm going to give this also roughness value reduce and make it look glossy finished. Here you can able to see here you can able to see that that also it looks finished. Okay, this is the basic coloring for the bottle. So you can add many textures inside that UV editor rapid. So you can do use any textures and anything to create a new bottles and things. Thank you very much for watching the full video, and kindly subscribe the channel if you like the video. uh, Click like button and share it with friends. Thank you. Bye.